In this video, we picked the best standby generators. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So, leave the research work up to us, save your time and energy and pick your favorite one from here. Number 5. Kohler 20 Rescel 200 SELS. 20,000 watt air-cooled generator automatically starts up when the power goes out. Power to your home in 10 seconds. 100% corrosion-proof enclosure offers protection from even the harshest seaside conditions. Measures 48 by 26.2 by 29 inches. Premium power quality. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Champion 8.5 kilowatts. 8.5 kilowatts continuous electrical power. 439 cubic centimeters Champion OHV engine, auto start and low oil shutdown. Champion auto control module, ACM. All-weather composite mounting pad. All-weather steel enclosure. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Briggs Stratton 40531. Includes 200 amp automatic transfer switch with flexible indoor/outdoor installation. Manage a home, up to 5,500 square foot. 100 amp 16 circuit transfer switch. 12 kilowatts with Symphony 2 power management. Dimensions, 39 x 33.5 x 44.8 inches. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Generac 70361 home. It starts within seconds of sensing power loss. Enough power to cover essential circuits or whole house coverage. Engineered and built in the USA. Dimensions, 48 x 25 x 29 inches. Weight 458 pounds. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Briggs Stratton 76180. 25,000 watt liquid propane or natural gas standby generator offers reliable power protection. Automatically senses power loss and returns your home to full function. Whole house coverage powers your essential appliances. 200 amp transfer switch. Liquid cooled engine. Please check the description for details and best price.